Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to guide you step by step on how to source for product on 11688. So I'm going to be going straight to the point. I'm not going to be jumping or giving you some instant which it doesn't correlate or it doesn't back up on sourcing from 11688. So first of all, if you actually download the 11688 app, you know how to picture sat. The next thing that you're gonna do is how to source on 11688. And before I go into the video, you must know these basic things that will be mentioned. There are priorities that you want to know before you actually start sourcing on 11688. So the first thing is know the name of the product you want to buy. The second, which I will be mentioning, is reviews of the past clients that have bought the product from the suppliers, and more so again the product of the same manufacturers. You see some product of the same manufacturer which will actually give you an instance that the suppliers are selling a good product which you actually think before you buy, and also is the local shipping of the supplier. So with that said, this is just the way to source on 11688. After that, you add your shipping address, you conclude with your shipping address, you use your Alipay to pay on 11688. So, and also before I jump into the video, which I will be explaining more details in the video, I want to leave a prior notice. Is if you want to buy a product on 11688 from to differentiate between suppliers and manufacturers, what suppliers did they sell in like 3 pieces or 4 pieces, but the manufacturers sell in large quantity, which is called MOQ. MOQ means minimal order quantity, that you can actually order from manufacturers, and most suppliers MOQ are related to like 1,000, 2,000, because they want people to buy from them. So they're gonna reduce the discount and price for people. They want people that will be buying, but they deal with people that buy like tons of goods. So with that said, I'm going to jump into the video right now. So see you in the video. Let's go. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you on how to source product on 11688, like I said in my first video, which I showed my face. But before I go in depth in the video, I forget to mention weight of the product. It's also important as part of sourcing products. As part of sourcing product on 11688, buying product on 11688. So I want to also introduce something to you right now, so I'll be so fast about it. You need to also carry your own assignment by going in depth with it. This is what I'll be introducing with you right now. This is what I'll be like all these balls, like these 3 balls upstairs right there. So if I use my translator to translate on, it's right, find the sources. Like find the sources means you want to find a product to buy on 11688. So here also means find a factory. You want to find a factory on 11688. Factory means an industry, those people that produce goods directly from factory. So they are manufacturers. So it's called manufacturers on 11688. And if you want, there is an advantage from buying from them, and there is also disadvantage from buying from them. The advantage is you get access to direct manufacturer that sell the product, while if the disadvantage is if you can't meet up the MOQ, you can't buy from them, because MOQ means minimal order quantity, because they have minimal of goods that can actually sell to retailers like you or buyers like you that want to buy their product. Their MOQ is like starting from 1,500 or something, and you want to buy like 2 pieces or 3 pieces, so you can't buy from them. Yeah, let me translate this place too. So here is written looking for industry products, which I will just show you one example of each, and which is looking for industry products. If I click on it, so I'll just click on it. If I click on it, okay. So before I want to click on it, I must actually have an account on 11688. This is just what I want to show you guys. On 11688, we are not creating an account on 11688. You can't be able to do anything. You see, you'll be using your phone number or username to create an account on 11688, but there is a short method to it, which is Talbas, which is having an Alipay account. So if you have your Alipay account, you wanna click on here and definitely you to sign up, but I'll be showing you in another way around. So I just came here to come and source for products. So if I want to source of products, before I source for product, also this place that I point arrow to now, let me be using this. Let me drag this place that I point arrow to now is where you chat all your suppliers up. If you have any conversation with suppliers before, this is where you chat them up. You can just go straight and you click here, you see the chat of the recent suppliers and the previous suppliers that you have bought products from. So I don't this is just a fresh account. I just created it yesterday just for the sake of reason. So let's dive in more and more. So if you also click on, I want to show you something here, but before, I have not created an account, that's why it's not showing you, about I'll definitely show you. So let's go to sourcing for a product, which I will be explaining. I'll be using this one. I'll be so fast about it because I don't want this video to get long. So, and this is just a good example of what I want to show you. Here we have two price of products. We have the 35 yuan and we have the 36 yuan. If you want to, we have 35 yuan, you have the 36 yuan, and the minimum order quantity that is written here is 2. The minimum order quantity here is 2 that you can buy from the suppliers. And if you want to buy the product, you needed to also check something like this. If I move my translator to here, it will help me to translate is the name of the product, motivate points, blah 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 blah. You'll be reading that one on your own. So the next thing you need to consider is this 48 hours delivery. The suppliers deliver in 48 hours for your product, and 7 days fast refund is 7 days fast refund. Maybe you buy a product and the product is not available, but the best of the best is to chat the suppliers up. If you want to chat the suppliers up, you must have linked your you want to chat the suppliers up, you must have linked your 11688, and this is the place that you'll be chatting your suppliers up. This place that I point arrow to, if you click on it, you wanna click on it and it will not work now. You see, you have to just create an account. So after that, the next thing is you wanna notice on 11688 is here the express shipping, which I've actually explained. This is the express shipping that the suppliers will use. This is the money that suppliers will use to carry your goods from China to your local shipping in China. So this is just an example of me buying products from Jumia in Abuja, and I'm living in like Lagos. The amount of way bill that Jumia will use to transport the goods is also an example of 4 yuan, which I'm explaining here. So these are just, so this is the name of the company right there. I just want to show you. And this is the rated voltage of the product. You see, rated voltage is 220, and time to market was 2022. That's when they produced the product. And power mode, this is the power mode. You get to power mode alternative currency. You have to ask your suppliers all those things. If you're actually buying a product like electronic, you see this, they have leave like information. This is the name of the brand. So more so again, this is the attribute of the product. All this place, if you want to buy electronic, you definitely come here and see attribute of the product. Make sure you read the attribute of the product before you buy. This normally, this place that I recycle here is where the reviews of the past client is. You wanna see reviews of the past client, you wanna see photos of the past client, of the past customer that bought the product. And what this actually means is like the product is in good conditions. The product is in good condition.